The rose-ringed parakeet, Psittacula cromeri, also known as the ring-necked parakeet, is one of the most widely recognized parrot species across the world. It is native to parts of Africa and the Indian subcontinent, though it has now established populations in several European cities. Its vibrant appearance, adaptability, and vocal abilities make it a popular bird both in the wild and in captivity. The rose-ringed parakeet is a medium-sized bird, measuring between 40 to 42 centimeters, 16 inches, in length, with a wingspan of around 47 to 57 centimeters. One of its most striking features is its bright green plumage, although some individuals can also have a bluish or yellow hue. This species is sexually dimorphic, meaning males and females differ in appearance. Males typically have a distinctive rose-colored ring around their neck, hence the name rose-ringed, accompanied by a black line extending from the bill to the eyes. Females, on the other hand, lack this prominent ring, or it may be much less visible. The parakeet's beak is also quite notable. It is robust and curved, with a reddish upper mandible and a blackish lower mandible, which helps the bird crack open hard seeds and nuts, a crucial part of its diet. These birds are also known for their loud and repetitive vocalizations. Their calls can be piercing and sharp, often used to communicate with other members of their flock or to mark their territory. Originally, rose-ringed parakeets were native to forested areas, savannas, and woodlands in sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia, particularly in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. Due to their adaptability, rose-ringed parakeets have successfully established feral populations in various parts of the world, including Europe, particularly in the United Kingdom, Germany, and Belgium. Rose-ringed parakeets are primarily herbivorous, feeding on a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and grains. In the wild, their diet consists of berries, figs, and various seeds they find in their natural habitat. They are known to forage in agricultural areas, often feeding on crops like maize, wheat, and sunflower seeds, which sometimes brings them into conflict with farmers. The breeding season of the rose-ringed parakeet varies depending on its geographic location. In its native range, the breeding season typically occurs between December and April. Rose-ringed parakeets are monogamous, forming long-lasting pair bonds. The female lays a clutch of 3 to 6 eggs, which she incubates for around 23 to 30 days. The rose-ringed parakeet is listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The rose-ringed parakeet is a fascinating species known for its intelligence, adaptability, and striking appearance. Whether observed in the wild or kept as a companion bird, its vibrant personality and beauty make it a memorable sight.